Hello, friends. My name is Satyam. Today we are going to discuss History Chapter 3. It will have 30 questions. The first question is, when did Harappan city develop? The answer is about 4700 years ago. About 80 years ago, archaeologists found this site and realized that this was one of the oldest cities in the subcontinent. The next question is, the west part of Harappa cities were smaller but higher. This part was called Dash. The answer is Citadel. The Harappan cities were divided into two or more parts. The archaeologists describe the west part as Citadel. The next question is, the east part of Harappan cities were larger but lower. This part was called Dash. The answer is Lower Town. The next question is, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are situated in present-day Dash. The answer is Pakistan. The city of Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922 by Dr. R.D. Banerjee. The next question is, the Great Bath has been discovered in which city? The answer is Mohenjo-daro. This is a special tank lined with bricks coated with plaster and made watertight with a layer of natural tar. The next question is, the fire altars were found in Dash and Dash. The answer is Kalibangan and Lothal. The next question is, elaborate storehouses were found in which cities? The answer is Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Lothal. The next question is, how many story of houses were generally found in Harappan city? The answer is 1 or 2 story. The next question is, where did the craftspersons make the thing in the earliest city? The answer is in their own house or in special workshop. The next question is, most of the things found by archaeologists are made up of which metal? The answer is copper, bronze, silver and gold. Copper and bronze were used to make tools, weapon, ornament and vessel. Gold and silver were used to make ornaments and vessel. The next question is, the Harappans made seal out of dash. The answer is stone. These seals are generally rectangular shape and usually have an animal carved on them. The next question is, cotton was probably grown at Mehergarh from about dash years ago. The answer is 7000. The actual pieces of cloth were found attached to the lid of a silver vase and some copper object at Mohenjo-daro. The next question is, what was the thing used to shape sand or powdered quartz into an object? The answer is gum. The next question is, which colors were used for glazed material resulting in a shiny object? The answer is blue or sea green. The next question is, archaeologists found spindle wheels made of dash and dash. The answer is terracotta and faience. These were used to spin thread. The next question is, a dash is a person who is trained to do only one kind of work. The answer is specialist. The next question is, the shiny glazed material which is artificially produced is known as dash. The answer is faience. These materials were used to make beads, bangle, earring and tiny vessels. The next question is, the substance which were either found naturally or produced by farmer or herder are called dash. The answer is raw materials. These raw materials are processed to produce finished goods. For example, cotton produced by farmer is a raw material which is processed to make cloth. The next question is, the Harappans also made pots with beautiful dash. The answer is black design. The next question is, the Harappans probably got copper from the present day Dash and even from Dash in West Asia. The answer is Rajasthan and Oman. Gold could have been brought from present day Karnataka and precious stone from present day Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. The next question is, tin was mixed with copper to produce dash. The answer is bronze. Tin may have been brought from present day Afghanistan. The next question is, what was used to dig the earth for turning the soil and planting seed? The answer is plow. The next question is, who supplied food to craftspersons, scribes and rulers in the cities? The answer is farmers and herders. People who lived in the countryside grew crops and reared animals, and they supplied food to the city people. The next question is, how did Harappans irrigate their field and grow plants? The answer is stored water. As this region does not receive heavy rainfall, water was stored and supplied to the field when plants were growing. The next question is, from where did the boats and ships come into the sea and river? The answer is dockyard. The next question is, which Harappan city was located on Khadir Bet in the Rann of Kutch? The answer is Dholavira. Unlike other Harappan cities which were divided into two parts, Dholavira was divided into three parts, and each part was surrounded with massive stone walls with entrance through gateways. The next question is, which Harappan city was found in the Gulf of Khambat? The answer is Lothal. It was situated near the tributary of Sabarmati, where raw materials such as semi-precious stones were easily available. There was also a storehouse in this city. Many seals and ceilings were found in the storehouse. The next question is, sites in the Sindh and West Punjab are in present-day dash. The answer is Pakistan. The next question is, Harappan culture came to end about dash. The answer is 1800 BC. The next question is, dash is a dry desert except for the lands along the river Nile. The answer is Egypt. Around 5000 years ago, kings ruled over Egypt. They built huge tombs known as pyramids. When they died, the bodies of kings were preserved and buried in these pyramids. These carefully preserved bodies are known as mummies. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share this video.